Hello, everybody. Pat Wally coming at you live from Folsom, California. Just wanted to share in God's goodness. I'm out in my backyard. I'm so blessed. I mean, for those of you that are dealing with pending storms, I'm sorry, Colorado and the Midwest, you guys are going to get blanketed. But here in California, we're dealing with spring, and it's so beautiful. Just wanted to share with you my orange tree. That's why I titled this Orange You Glad. So today, be glad about something that you haven't been glad about in a while. Reach out to somebody that you haven't talked to in a while and just tell them, I was just thinking of you. Don't make it about business. Don't make it about a sales pitch. Just remember somebody that you haven't reached out to in a while and seriously just call them up and say, I'm really glad to know you. Let's get back together and have a cup of coffee or something. So I'm going to keep these short. We're working on some Facebook Live video for format and content. Got a great epic boot camp coming up in April down in LAX with Craig Duswalt's Rockstar Boot Camp. If you're not going, you should. That's all I'm going to say. I think there's still tickets left. 600 people, entrepreneurs and crazy people like you out there sharing ideas. And, it's going to be just something like you've never seen before, and some A-lister entertainment and celebrities. And, Craig always brings it big. So if you're not there, you're going to miss it. So you should be there. Definitely. So I say so a lot. So this is a beautiful backyard. This is where I live in Folsom, California. There's the pool. Actually looks more like a pond right now. And I'm just grateful. I'm just sharing my gratitude. I watched Deborah Kagan last night. Just be grateful. And Mojo is being happy about the things that you be happy about. So Tim Gillette, Ron, I see you in there. Sharandra, Richard Sinclair. Great to see Richard, those pictures you have from 80 feet in the air. Amazing. Richard's a good buddy of mine from way back when I was really destitute and on my last leg. So there's hope. Yeah, you can end up in a better place. I'm going to check out for now. Hope to see you tomorrow. We'll be doing Facebook Live again. And just remember, orange you glad that you have today. Big smile, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.